Hi everyone, I'm Emily and today I'll be making a glittery smile resin shaker. A couple months ago, someone messaged me on my Instagram ordering a custom shaker. So that's what I'm making today, even though I sent it like months ago. The reason why I haven't uploaded this video until now is because I needed to focus on my schoolwork, and even after school was over, I ended up taking a little break. But now I'm back to uploading regularly, and you can also message me on Instagram if you would like a shaker or any other keychain, and my Instagram is at @eCraftingWorld. But anyway, back to the making. So as you saw, I was just mixing up some clear resin with glitter, and now that that's cured, I'm going to, well, I already sanded it down, and now I'm taking two circles of transparency film, and I'm cleaning them off with some rubbing alcohol. And now I'm going to take a little bit of UV resin to attach the plastic to the shaker. After curing that, I'm going to dome the back of the shaker with some UV resin, and I'll use a lighter to get rid of the air bubbles. And now I'm going to make some smiley faces with shrink plastic. The customer gave me free rein on the colors, so I went with a pastel palette. I'm just tracing some circles, and then I snapped for a cool thing, but I actually had to remake them because the circles were too big. But to put the smile on the things, I just used a black marker, and then I added some UV resin. And now I'm just going to put those in the shaker along with some glitters and beads. Once I'm done decorating, I'm going to attach the second piece of transparency film with some more UV resin. I used a 1/16 inch hole puncher to punch a hole into the transparency film before attaching it so it would be easy to add in the baby oil. Before doming, I used some gel top coat and add it to the top so I can decorate it with a little bit of pearls. And now I'll do the final dome with some more UV resin, and off camera I went ahead and added the keychain parts. And here's the finished shaker. I love how it turned out, and the customer really liked it too. If you want to see more shakers and more resin art, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see updates about videos, and if you'd like to order your own shaker, you can follow me on Instagram at @eCraftingWorld. I hope to see you next time, and have a great day. Bye!